Hey guys, it's Danielle Lindstrom with the Pampered Chef. I'm just going to show you a couple of our baking products today that I really love. So first off, we've got our mini fluted cake pan. So basically these are just small versions of a normal bundt cake. And if you're interested, we do have a normal bundt cake pan as well, and it looks the same color and make and everything, just it's your regular size. So these are really fun though for parties, individual servings. Everyone gets their own little cake on their plate. Or you can give them as gifts, just whatever. If you're wanting a little treat yourself, but you don't want to overdo it, like some of us probably shouldn't, then you just keep one for yourself and give the rest as gifts. You're doing service at the same time, so best of both worlds. So what they've got is a blue enamel on the outside, which I really love because it kind of gives it that vintagey look. And a lot of our products are starting to have this color so that things match and look good together, and I think it goes good in pretty much all kitchens. And it's a carbon steel pan with a non-stick coating on the inside, so your cakes usually will come out really great. It is recommended to use some oil in there and just to wipe out the excess to get your cake to come out nice and smooth. You want to avoid non-stick cooking sprays because they tend to leave that gross brown sticky residue behind. Personally, I've never oiled them because I try to, just go as healthy as I can. I mean, you're already doing a cake, so you might as well take out what you can, right? So I've never oiled, and I've only had 1 or 2 cakes come out rough. Usually, even if they are sticking a little bit, you can still kind of wiggle them out. But when you take them out of the oven, you want to just instantly invert them onto a cooling rack and kind of just tap the bottoms to release them. And that way when it comes out, you're saving it from doming at the bottom so that you can have a cake that sits flat. And I haven't had any issues. Like I said, I like to keep out the oil if I can. Personally, I have just done store-bought boxed cakes, and then I'll just whip that up really quick because those are just easy, and usually, I'm a mom, I'm on a time crunch, so I just do those boxed cakes. If I'm really feeling like I can, put out some extra time, then I'll do a homemade cake and make it taste even better. But so far, like I said, I've just done those store-bought cakes. You fill them about 2/3 full and you get a good cake out of it. And you can get anywhere from usually about 9 to 12 cakes. So it turns out good product. I have 2 of these pans so that you can use one box and put them both in at the same time and get more out of it. Then we've got the mini pie pan. Again, it's got the blue enamel on the outside, the carbon steel pan with the non-stick coating on the inside. Same rules apply with the oil, no cooking spray, everything the same like that. You can buy store-bought pie dough if you're, feeling like you want something easy, just quick, or if you want to make it homemade. That's what I always do. Not to brag, but I make a dang good pie crust. So to buy it from the store for me is no way. So if you're making it at home or buying it from the store, either way it's going to turn out delicious. The pans come with 2 sizes of dough cutters. So the large one is for your bottom crust, obviously, and then if you're making a pie that you want a top crust to cover it, you can use the smaller one. So they've set you up so that you can get the perfect size crusts. I've done cream pies, apple pies, pecan pies. I've got an amazing mini pecan pie recipe for this pan specifically. If you want to see it, let me know. I'll put it in the comments. It's delicious. We had it for Thanksgiving. And then, just to top it off on the cuteness, they've got these little boxes. And I've done one up already. You can buy them in sets of 6. They come with the string, the box, super easy to put together, and then the tag, whether it's for, Christmas, birthday, just to say hi, whatever. We did these for neighbor gifts for Christmas this year, and I had as much fun making them as I think other people probably had eating them. So, here's the box when it's not assembled. You just unfold it. It even comes with a nice little piece of parchment paper in the bottom for your food. That. And basically these just fold out. And I'm not going to put this one together right now just to keep the video shorter, but you just fold it all in. And there's tabs right here that you put those notches in. And then your lid just comes over and everything goes into these same slits right here. They all go into the same thing. This would fold over on the top, and then you tuck it in right there to form your box. And then it comes with all the strings that you need, and all of the tags also. So like I said, this is how I like to do mine. There's a cute little box for you to see. So here's the 2 mini pans. If you want to have a fun party or just splurge for yourself, whatever you want, they're just fun and cute, and they're really fun for kids too because they're their size. You can, give your child or grandchild or whoever it may be their own little cake or their own little pie, and kids love that. They don't like having to share their food with somebody else. So if it's something special, especially, you just give them their own little serving and they're gonna love it. So as always, guys, if you like the video, please like it, subscribe, leave a comment below if you want to suggest a video that you'd like me to do, or if you have any questions for me, and check out the description for ways to contact me if you're interested in this easy business or hosting your own easy online party for those free host rewards. It really is easy, guys. So just let me know. Thanks!